Before the chicks arrive, thoroughly clean and disinfect the poultry house to prevent disease from the very beginning. Start with the pressure washer to remove all dirt and debris. Then, apply a disinfectant to all surfaces. Preheat the house at least 24 hours before chick placement. This creates a stable, comfortable environment. Use a heat lamp and thermometer to maintain 90 to 95 degrees. Maintain brooding temperature between 32 to 35 degrees Celsius for proper early growth. Adjust the lamp height to keep the chicks warm and active. Spread clean, dry wood shavings evenly as litter to keep chicks warm and comfortable. This provides insulation and absorbs moisture for a healthy environment. Spread clean, dry wood shavings evenly as litter to keep chicks warm and comfortable. An even layer prevents drafts and provides insulation for the chicks. Add vitamins and electrolytes to water during the first 3 days to reduce stress. This simple mix helps replenish nutrients and promotes relaxation. A daily ritual for better well-being. Feed high-quality starter feed containing 22 to 23% protein. This ensures optimal nutrition for healthy growth. Pour steadily and watch the chicks feed actively. Avoid overcrowding by maintaining proper space per chick from day one. Crowded conditions lead to stress, pecking, and stunted growth. With proper spacing, chicks grow healthier and more active. This simple practice ensures their well-being. Observe chick behavior closely. Even spreading means correct temperature. Remove weak or inactive chicks to reduce disease risk in the flock. This one is too weak to thrive with the others. Isolating it helps protect the healthy ones. Check feeders and drinkers multiple times daily to ensure access. This ensures your livestock have constant access to feed and clean water. Regular checks prevent problems and keep your farm running smoothly.
Target weight at day 7 should reach 180 to 200 grams. Placing the rat on the balance now. The reading is 192.4 grams. Target achieved.
Gradually reduce the brooding temperature each day to adapt birds naturally. This prevents stress and allows their bodies to adjust smoothly. Monitor their behavior and use a schedule for best results. Continue feeding starter feed to support strong muscle development. It's essential for their growth. This keeps them healthy and strong. To improve ventilation, open a window to bring in fresh oxygen. Next, turn on the ceiling fan to circulate air and remove moisture. This helps create a healthier indoor environment.
Keep litter dry and loose to prevent footpad problems. Scoop daily and change it weekly to keep it fresh. This helps avoid issues like sore feet or infections.
Inspect birds twice daily for signs of coughing or weakness. Check for coughing, like this, and watch for weakness, like slow movement. Isolate sick birds immediately. Monitor stocking density to prevent stress and competition. Overcrowding causes erratic swimming and aggression. Balanced density promotes calm, healthy behavior. By day 14, birds should weigh around 450 to 500 grams. Begin the transition by mixing 75% starter with 25% grower feed. Next, combine equal parts, mix 25% starter with 75% grower to complete the change. As birds grow, their size and appetite increase, demanding more feeder space. With more room, they eat without competition, promoting uniform growth. Adjusting space ensures healthier birds and better farm productivity. To maintain proper airflow, set your fan to a low or medium speed. This provides gentle circulation without creating strong drafts. If it's too breezy, lower the speed to a comfortable level. This keeps the air fresh and comfortable. Let's reduce lighting slightly to improve feed efficiency. There, that's better. Power draw is down.
Monitoring ammonia protects bird respiratory health. This monitor shows the level in parts per million. We keep it under 25 ppm for a safe environment.
Remove wet litter immediately to prevent bacterial growth. Using the scoop, remove the clump and dispose of it. This simple step keeps your pet's area hygienic. Logging daily mortality, 10 total losses. Noting an unusual case for investigation. Examining this one, no visible injuries. Sending for analysis. Provide cool, clean water at all times. By day 21, these birds should reach approximately 1 kilogram. Let's weigh one to check. And there it is, right on target. Continue grower feed to support rapid muscle development. Continue grower feed to support rapid muscle development. Continue grower feed to support rapid muscle development. Gradually increase daily feed quantity according to bird appetite. Observe their feeding patterns and adjust portions to ensure healthy growth and avoid waste. Let's check the flock for uniform growth. This one measures a consistent 25 centimeters. The others match. Uniform size confirmed. We maintain strict biosecurity to protect our animals. All visitors must report to the office first. Please use the hand sanitizer before proceeding. Access is limited to authorized personnel only.
Maintain balanced humidity to avoid respiratory problems. Use a humidifier to add moisture when levels are low. Check your monitor. The ideal range is 40 to 60%. This helps prevent dry air and breathing issues.
Clean the surroundings of the poultry house regularly. Sweep away all organic debris from the ground. Prepare a disinfectant solution. Apply it evenly to the area. This prevents disease and promotes health. Maintain balanced humidity to avoid respiratory problems. Use a hygrometer to monitor levels, keeping them between 40 and 60%. A humidifier can help maintain this balance for healthier air. Inspect fans and ventilation systems daily. Check for dust buildup on grills and blades. Inspect and clean or replace air filters. Reassemble and ensure proper operation.
Target weight at day 28 should be 1.4 to 1.6 kilograms. To reach this target, ensure a balanced diet with proper nutrition and monitor growth daily.
Monitor daily feed intake carefully to maximize growth. This ensures animals get the nutrition they need. Accurate records are key for better yields. Ensure enough feeder and drinker space for all birds. Overcrowding causes competition and stress. Proper spacing ensures uniform growth and health. In hot conditions, birds are vulnerable to heat stress, which can lead to panting and reduced productivity. Proper ventilation systems actively circulate fresh air, helping to cool the birds and maintain a healthy environment. Average daily feed intake should reach around 120 grams. Ammonia odor can build up from cooking and cleaning. First, open a window for ventilation. Then, wipe down surfaces with a damp cloth. This keeps the air fresh and clean. Keep the farm environment clean and dry at all times. Sweep away dirt and debris from paths and floors. Use water to wash surfaces, then dry them thoroughly. Finally, spread dry bedding to maintain a clean, dry area. By day 35, birds should weigh about 2 kilograms. Continue the finisher feed consistently until marketing day.
We're on track. The data looks solid.
Stock is prepped, warehouse is ready. Good, let's keep this consistency. Increase feed gradually to about 140 to 160 grams daily. Monitor feed conversion ratio for profitability tracking. This key metric reveals feed efficiency. Track it alongside intake to optimize costs. Drive profitability with data insights. Keep mortality rate below 5% for best results. This graph demonstrates how maintaining a rate under 5% leads to optimal outcomes. Below 5%, you achieve the best results.
All right, let's check uniformity to ensure similar market weights. This one looks good. Next. Yes, similar weight, all uniform.
Separate underweight birds if required. Underweight birds can spread disease. Gently move the bird to a separate enclosure. This ensures proper care and recovery. Maintain excellent ventilation during final growth days. Use fans and exhaust to create strong airflow. Monitor temperature and humidity to prevent issues. This ensures a healthy, high-quality harvest. Overcrowding in animal enclosures leads to stress and injuries from competition. In contrast, a spacious pen allows animals to move freely, reducing stress. Contact buyers in advance to confirm market price. This helps you price competitively and close faster. Use tools like this to check current buyer data. It gives you the edge in negotiations. Stop medications according to withdrawal period guidelines. The withdrawal period is the time needed for the medication to clear from the animal's system. Consult your veterinarian to ensure safety and compliance.
Prepare clean transport crates before harvest day. Rinse each crate thoroughly with water. Stack them neatly to dry. Clean crates ensure safe produce.
Okay, weighing the final sample batch. First portion, 0.152 grams. Adding the next, 0.6005 grams. Average confirmed. To reach 2.6 to 3 kilos by day 45, daily tracking is key. We'll weigh one bird to check our progress. Consistent feed is crucial for this target weight.